Sa labas po tayo. Magpa-park lang. Yan. Makakape-kape lang. Sana walang pulis. Ayan. Sana all. Sana all pakape-kape. At bang ramang gud mong balay sa park. Ito. Mana mong balay. Tapos ang park. Nara diha. Bahala mag-picnic ka. Mag-swimming pool ka. Mag-boat sa imo. Diba? Sana all. Usually gikan ako diri ganina nagbaktas-baktas tapos ubalik ra ko kay magkuha ko og kape og microphone ay magistorya ta. So nga rita banda sa unahan. Anong meron? Meron di off. Wow, sana all nakapurma. Nakapurma at nakabarong. Hanap og sigarilyo diri. Pasandig-sandig lang si Dudong. Sandig-sandig ra na pero daghan ning problema. Magpainit sa good ko kay gabi na may buntag mga tulog mi tapos mangmata mi alas 3. Pagmata na mo maligo magluto wala na siya time niya masakay og sakyanan pa duty o di wala ni adlaw dili na mainitan di ba so wala init na mahitabo so for now nga naka day off so magkuan sa magpainit sa ako pero ang adlaw pababa na siya hapit na maano sa building mo ana ganun so kung wala na siya wala na yung adlaw wala na try na ko kulayan akong buhok tapos gamitan og kanang sombrero di ba kumot na may ubang ulo baho tuway walad nagbaktas-baktas walad saba kasi angkol man ako maklaro ayan naday adlaw mong di maklaro nay walad walad kaliwali da yaki yaki kaliwali شرب شاي شرب قهوة شوية هلا ولد كيف الحالك يا ولد كيف الحال ها كويس؟ وين نروح؟ هذا؟ آلاف؟ Dula daw siya. Magduyan daw siya. may pang kapi init pa. Pero imong gugma bugnaw pa simod si Ering. Eh. Ah, magdula daw siya dito sa duyan. Duyan ka nang magiting. Sana all. O sige, isgot ta. Waiter sa mga ano ni ngani man ang sinina. Actually, dili na gusto na ako nga t-shirt. Gusto na ako kay white. Pero ang akong gusto nga white undershirt is paana ba? V. V-neck. So expectation versus reality gusto na ako anaon. O, di ba? So ako ning tahion niya iani. Iani. Wa tay mahimo mo na siya. So is good ta about waiter versus customer. Okay. Hate kay di ba? Di ba now is panahon sa pandemic, o di ba? Sa panahon sa pandemic, uh, syempre sa Saudi Arabia, ang protocol is 2 meters distancing. Bago mo enter sa restaurant, malls, you have to show your tawakal na. Tawakal na means is like a barcode. It shows a green color barcode that shows green color is you are cleared, you are not sick, you are nothing, you are normal person, you are not sick from the virus. So ganun siya, di ba? That's the right protocol from the Ministry of Health and the Baladia actually. So now expectation versus reality. Anong sa akong kape? Now if the locals, I will not say Arab, kaya naman yung sa Saudi Arabia, when the locals came in, a group or a packs, langaw pa mo, a packs of 3 or 5 person, not all of them will show their tawakal na. Okay, before you enter the establishment, you have to get the temperature and to show your barcode tawakal na. Okay, if you are cleared, and the next time around, okay, iti-take ka ng tawag dito, temperature, and next barcode na tawakal na if you are cleared. Okay, and then you are allowed to get in. And what happened of some of the locals na mga hard-headed, wala na gani kabalo og social distancing kay wala na sod diri sa auto, kay wala gisod diri sa hamam sa lubot. So you know me, mingon sila nga, okay, when they entered the establishment, the restaurant, okay, you have to get your temperature normal, but if you don't have tawakal na, you are not allowed to enter. That's the rules. Okay, there's some instances na so busy na talaga, you are, you know, you are allowing them even if they don't have a tawakal na, because they are in a packs of families like mother, parents, in just in one house. So for me, I will not tolerate, so I will ask one by one, because the virus will not choose, okay, this person I would have to, and you know, it should be one by one according to the law. Now if you know, if magjowa, papasok sa restaurant, sasabihin, why, sarap sampakin mo, di ba? Sarap mo eh. Sasabihin mo pa why? Saan ka ba pinanganak? Sa Mars? Walang bagyo sa inyo, te. Kadami-dami nga sa inyo dito. 700 every day, 600 daily sa Saudi Arabia. Alam nyo ba? Would you know that Saudi Arabia coronavirus cases every day is 600 to 700 cases daily. Tapos when we are going to ask your tawakal na and temperature, you are asking for why? Oh my god. Poor people. That's why somehow many locals are headache to their governance. You know, very headache. It's just like their brain is like dislocation. They have the brain dislocation. The front lobe of their brain is positioning in the back. Would you what do you call this? Would you mind it? Would you Shisma, imagine this? If your front lobe of your brain would be dislocated and put it in your back, how could you think nicely? So you cannot. That's why, ay nako, so you have to extend your patient as a part of being what we call of these overseas Filipino workers. And especially if you are working to the Middle East country, so you have to extend your patient, extend your prayers. Lord, I will ask you for the extension of my patient to these people who have moksagir. Malish. Totoo naman. Kasi nga, kapag upo ka, ganito yung rules nyo sa restaurants. Only 5 person are allowed in one table. And then they will contradict, or they will ask for a permission. No, it's okay. We are 6. Okay, you are 6. And now, your governance allowed only 5 person per table. Tapos magpupumilit na dapat 6 kasi sa isang ano lang daw sila. We are in the same room, in the same house. So I don't care. But the penalty of your governance will be on the company, not yours. Oh my god. You are the headache of your governance. Really. I am working of the food industry maybe 2 years or 3 years, but my rate, or not a rate, my comments is like 70% of the locals are headache of their governance. They are not following the rules, not following the laws. Okay, but at also 80% of the employers are headache of the governance. They are just showing the governance that they are doing well, but I mean, employers are headache to their employees, and they are showing to the governance that they are doing well. But one to one, they are just showing their, I don't know. They are just praying for 5 times a day, bowing down to the land and kissing both of these, you know, um, that land that they are showing. I am not questioning about the way they have to, they pray to, but if you are going to pray, it should be here, and it should be here. Why? If you are just praying, it should be here, and you're just doing this as a daily routine without any passion is invalid. Valid po yan. Yeah. Ay, tumakbo na siya. Walad. Shwe, shwe, shwe. Kapisang ni Tibo. So, invalid po yan. Kasi nga, when you pray, dapat you should use your heart, you should use your mouth, you should use your brain. Use your brain. Kasi nga, hindi lang naman sa gawa nagtitingin ang Diyos. What's in your purity of your heart? Mateo, basta Mateo chapter 4:8 or 8:4 or 8:8. Yan. If you are doing so with your heart and with your soul, then so be it. Back to the reality as a restaurant. Ito pa. Ito. The world, some of part of the world experiencing a hungerness. Okay? Without food to eat, without water to drink, suffering yani. So I don't understand. May papakurog-kurog vibration. So I don't understand yani why those rich people in the country people in the country. Okay, ganito kumain eh. Ako kasi kapag kumain, hindi naman sa pangano, is not that way. If I'm going to eat, I will make sure it's enough in the table. Not extra, but enough. Okay. Ganito sila kakain. Sobra, enough pa. And then itatapon din lang naman, 'di ba? Wages lang after. And then they will ask sauces, all kind of sauces. And after they eat, you will see those sauces hindi man lang nagalaw. Yung nakakairita yung mga ganon. Kaya next time kayong mga Arabo kayo, kayong mga kasarap nyo, nakakagigil kayo eh. Buti lang di off ako ngayon. Sarap kasi sarap pumunta sa isang restaurant. Yung kunyari day off ka, tapos pupunta ka sa isang restaurant. Tapos sarap mang-asar, or yung pupunta ka sa restaurant, kakain ka. Tapos kapag merong tawag ito Arabo, or merong Arabo ba sa likod? Kung merong mga Arabo sa likod, okay? Sa likod, I mean sa katabi mo, na magiging kunyari marahas. Kasi sometimes kasi they will take order. Sabihin surah. Ish. Ang restaurant po, the restaurant will not create magic in just 4 minutes, 3 minutes finish. Ish hada. Mukarban. Sabihin sa'yo, okay, kamsa dagiga, arba dagiga, 5 minutes lang daw, maluto na yung steak. O di, dugo dong. Kakagigil ka. Sakit sa mata. Di ba? Kung 4 minutes, lulutuin mo lang yung steak. So, unsay nawong? Nagdugo-dugo, murag bilahan sa imong kuan. Talking about shits. It's not my passion. So, it's forbidden. So, di ba? Ganun sila ka-demanding. Sa pag-upo pa lang, magtitake ng order after, magka-count, kunyari yan sila. Okay, ganito, ganyan. Magka-count. O, sasabihin mo, 10 minutes, sir. So, ikaw din naman, waiter, huwag mo sasabihin 10 minutes. Sasabihin mo, asyara, dagiga, insyaallah. O, di ba? Sa Bisaya yan, or sa Filipino language, 10 minutes in God's willing. O, kung Bisayaon ako, 10 minutos kung kabubuton sa Ginoo, o di ba? Kay kung maingon manggug ka nga 10 minutes, maguna-una na sa 10 minutes diretso na siya. Pero pag miingon kag 10 minutes kung kabubuton sa Ginoo itugot na kay 10 minutes, di ba sila mahimo? Kay kung miingon kag 10 insya Allah asyara giga, wala sila mahimo. Maybe more than 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, it's good. More than 10 minutes kung masuko gani sila, ignon nimo, sir, miingon ba ya ko? I told to you 10 minutes inshallah. O kung magagalit yan sila, meaning they are Islam pa yun. Yeah, Islam. Sagpa, Islam. They're Islamping. Sinasampal nila yung pagka-Muslim nila. Ginagamit nila yung word na inshallah. Di ba? Sa pansariling interest. May mga ganong mga may mga ganong mga klaseng tao. Gagamitin lang ang they will use the word of God for their own interest, selfishness, which is really bulok na style. Titingnan ko lang kapag namatay kayo, pupunta kayo doon, titingnan natin. So, di ba parang andun di ba parang andun lang tayo. So kaya nga magdi-day off sa stress. So kailangan natin ilabas dito sa vlog na to. O di ba? Tapos isa pa, ito. Hindi lang is not the headache about the locals, even your workmates. Okay? Because there's some workmates are sip to your boss. They are thinking that they have the masteral degree. They are working in a 7 stars, 8 stars, and 9 stars, and so on and so forth in the food industry. Wala naman, di ba? When you check their background, kaka-start pa lang ng trabaho, tapos kung makakaasta, parang sino? So I'm not condemning, pero I just wanted you to know that you have to extend your aura, di ba? Hunter x Hunter. Sa kakanood na ng Naruto Hindi kasi some person have their sense of humor to extend their atmospheric era. Okay, for example, you are working in the restaurant, you have to think to your you are co-workers working out there, you have to help them. You have the unity to hold him back, to pull it up, not to pull it down, because some of the people has a crab mentality. Their mindset is like kaburya. Kaburya, yung manghihila lang pababa. Not good. Minsan naisip ko tuloy kung ako lang siguro, I have the will to cut life in just a matter of ganyan. Ay sus, karami ko nang na-cut off life. Parang ilaw lang na pinapatay. Tik, 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 tik. Mga headache diba? Para mabawasan yung headache sa mundo. Grabe, kadami nila. Tapos magtatanong pa, ganito, how could I eat ganito lasamat. Diba? Ganito yung mga babae dito sabi na lasamat kefan akilhada. Kasi ang i-provide kasi ng restaurant na utensils or yung cutleries, whatever, is a plastic spoon, plastic knife, plastic fork nababoy. Plastic knife, plastic spoon, plastic fork in a packet. So alam niyo yung ibig sabihin ko. Tas may tissue na yun sa loob, meron na yung wood as nan tawag nito, toothpick. So set na yan siya sa loob. Tapos magtatanong yan sila ganito, Rasamat, how could I eat this one? Or, excuse me, how could I eat this one? I want the metal one. Kasi nga pandemic tayo ngayon. Uulitin ko ha. mga sakit kayo sa ulo eh. Ulitin ko ha. We are in the pandemic era. Pandemic means kumakalat na yung coronavirus. So, we are issuing a disposable cutleries. So, that's why after you eat, you put it to baladiya. Sa. Now, they are asking for the metal ones. Ito mo kumapi, mo karban. You are not helping to your government. Kini ihampas ko sa sarap mo ihampas eh. Diba? Tapos sasabihin na, paano ko to kakainin ng tigas-tigas ng steak? Hindi nga matigas kasi gaganunin mo lang naman ng pork eh. Kaya nga ng toothpick yun. Sabihin, tapos kadalasan sa magrereklamo, alam mo ba kung ano? Mga lalaki, mga bayot mo, mga bayot mo, ang babae gani, dili na sila mo reklamo kung unsay gihatag sa ilaha, mukaon na sila mukaon. Tapos tusok ko ng steak. Pag mabali, normal naman yun na sa kuan sa fork nga mabali, di ba? Mabali yun siya inigana nimo sa steak. So kailangan nimo mangayo na pud og lain. That's it. Finish ang problem. Okay. So, ang kadalasan sa mo reklamo diri na locals, mga males. Tapos ingnon ka nga tagai ko og knife. Nga katong bakal ha. Ana siya. Bakal daw kay mo eat. Mukaon daw kuno siya og kanang steak. Maglisod daw kuno siya og kaon. Lami kay ingnon ba nga ang babae gani ang babae gani wala gani ni reklamo, ikaw pa ka nga lalaki. Sus, kung ako lagi, ay sus ko ako waiter lagi niya nakakalo ko lami kay puspusan lagi ang ulo. Lami yung kay puspusan. Kung pwede lang, di ba? Kung pwede lang. Mga locals eh kakain sa restaurant, kunyari karami-karaming pera, tapos mag-uunahan pa yun. Alam niyo yung I adore it when kanang matapos na silang kumain, when they finish eat or they finish eating, and then they are like rushing to the cashier who wants to pay off. Maghabulan yan sila, parang game, parang Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones. So maghabulan yan sila kung sino ang magbabayad, ganito ganyan. So ganon. And after that, kung sino yung mauna maghabulan, yun ang magpipay. Ito, meron ding pangyayaring ganito, maghabulan sila, magbabayad. Kung naghabulan kayo, pareho lang naman yung ibabayad nyo, 100, di ba? What is the purpose pa yung maghabulan kayo, magpipilayan kayo? Yung sasabihin na may nagtatanong sa akin na customer, pinapamukha niya sa akin na Saudi Arabia is just mayaman kami. We are lot of monies. We are raining of monies. Ganon. That's it. Okay. Then he asked me, which country you are? So, Philippines. Philippines, ganon. And then he asked me, in the Philippines, you have the same humors or same attitude, yung kapag kakain daw after eating, mag-agawan kung sino ang magbabayad. Sabi, wag lang ganyan, ako ang magpipi. Ganyan. May ganyan ba daw sa sa Pilipinas? Sinabi ko lang na pabiro. Sabi ko, sir, ganito kasi sa Pilipinas. First, we are allowing to split the bills after eating. So we have to split the bills. So divide by 3, divide by 4. Yes. That's the fair fair total of on your heart, on your consequences. Hi. May bata kasi ito. Naglalaro sila. sabi kong ganon, tawag nito, split the bills, or else some of them will go to the toilet, and who are whatever people who left on the table, he's the one who obliged to pay. Natawa siya kasi nga sa atin ganun tayo, di ba? O magsi-CR lang ako, kunyari magsisigarilyo sa labas, so ikaw ang naiwan, so ikaw magbabayad. Ganon, pero pabiro ko lang sinabi. Pero na ano ko rin yun na hindi naman kasi sa Pilipinas kung sino yung may pera, sabihin mo ako na magbabayad lahat, di walang problema, di ba? Hindi naman mga Pilipino, yung mga friend natin, hindi naman yung tatakbo. Kasi iwan yung obligasyon sa iyo. Hindi naman ganoon. Maresponsibilidad pa rin tayong mga Pilipino. Pak. Clap mga Pinoy. Kahit ang mga Pinoy dito sa Saudi Arabia, experience ko lang, headache po. Kasi nga, oo na, magiging agent po tayo sa isang agency. Huwag kayong maingay ha. I am the agent of the agency, so tinutulungan ko po kung wala kayong mga walay if you don't have your tawakal na, so I am the one, I have the open heart or the pure heart to help you. Okay, I am the one to open my app share. I will going to register your tawakal na, that's it. I don't ask you any amount of money, so I am just saying is I am doing this in front of my God, that I am helping people na without payments. Okay, that's it. Hindi naman makakredit yan kapag namatay tayong pera-pera na yan. Sabi nga ni Duterte, lintik na corruption yan. Okay. Ngayon, is not your passion. Tawag nito, sa mga Pilipino na out there na tinutulungan po natin about sa mga kawang gawa, about sa trabaho, bibigyan ng trabaho, sila pa tong ma-headache. Talaga really, kasi nga may YouTube channel ako, I grow my YouTube channel. Sometimes hindi ako makaka-attend ng premiere. Kung bakit? Hindi ako makaka-edit ng mga videos. Bakit? Because of the kawang gawa, because of the agent na yan, na kailangan kong tutulungan yung mga Pilipino na nagti-TNT dito sa Saudi Arabia with the help of Kuya Brian. Kasi nga meron din akong ahead sa akin, so siya yung maraming connection, ako tutulong, ako yung front desk, siya yung sa likod, na alam nyo na yon yung ibig sabihin ko. So ngayon, may mga Filipino na tutulungan natin magtrabaho, sila pa yung choosy grabe napapa makakalingo-lingo jud ko, kay mura ko gihiluan makalingo-lingo kay ko nga ani din yung mga Pilipino di ay asa man. So asa na ako hang headset nabilin sa balay. Okay, so nakaingon ko ani din yung mga Pilipino di mga headache tabangan, mura magbasa akong lubot sa sagbot. Sila pa ang tabangan, so sila pa ang headache nga no. Post. So anay adlaw, sakit sa mata. So sila pa ang imong tabangan, sila pa ang headache nga no. Okay, tagaan na nimong employer, ang employer pasahuran sila 500 plus sa ilang gitrabahuan, di ba? Kunyari dati 115, so plus 500 sa dati nilang gitrabahuan, so pila 2,000, o dako po na siya na na mentally or na issues. Sometimes 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 8 like this, depend on your skills, experience ana. So karon tabangan nimo sila, tagaan nimo og amo, pa-interviewon, kulang na lang muuban ka dito sa gilid sa interview para kuan lang, para maayos. So ang mga kabayan, mga choosy, asus Ginoo ko, kabalo ka nga no, tagaan mo og employer, kita gi-interview na nimo dito, gi-interview na sa employer. Pagkahuman, ang from the start to the end, mo ana siya nga, sir, wala ba ako'y wala akong pamasahe. Nagaganon siya. Wala akong pamasahe from the start to the end. Miingon sila, wala ko'y pamasahe. So masyak-syak pud ka kay sige kay ikaw may nag-introduce, ikaw may nagkuan. So magpangita pud kag pamasahe, manghiram pud ka. Kunyari na kay kwarta pero nanghiram ra kasi imong kauban. So karon nasakpan ko sa boss, sa manager sa store. At the middle of the meeting, pag yun, general meeting na mo sa store, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo? Ganon, di ba? Sabi niya na, sir, sorry ha, pero nang ano man good kog pamasahe aning tawana kay pag uli niya wala daw siya pamasahe. Why you did not tell me? I will shoulder all the, the hindrance, all the problem of that person because I am willing or I am looking for the employee. So do not carry the, the baggage. Ganon, sabi niya. So, God's glory to God kasi nga if the Holy Spirit minsan alisan tayo ng Holy Spirit kasi nga hindi na maganda yung ng bukat ang bibig natin sa attitude natin, but the Holy Spirit I really admire and I really adore that it's looking for our hearts also. Kaya nga you have to be careful what you say or what the word came from your mouth, instead also your hearts. Ganon yun. So siya ang nag shoulder back and forth pamasahe, so hiyang hiya ako kay kabayan. Kabayan, baka naman kung mag-apply kayo ng trabaho, i-make sure nyo yung pamasahe nyo ha, yung patungo saka yung pauwi. Saka tuturuan ko kayo ha, yung sida na tao, yung may yung may Diyos na dito, saka may Diyos dito, merong Diyos dito, ulitin ko ha, tapos may Diyos dito, ulitin ko. Nagpaplano po yan sila sa hinaharap. Kunyari ganito, mag-a-apply ako trabaho bukas, o may schedule ako bukas, sige maghanap ako ng pamasahe. Ganun ho yun. Yung ulitin ko ulit, yung may dito, just yung may dito. Ulitin ko again and again. Nagpaplano ho yan sila para hindi makaperwisyo ng ibang tao. Ulitin ko ulit. Ulitin ko talaga. Sasabihin nyo naman, bakit yung Biblia, yung nakasulat sa book of Matthew, inulit-ulit sa book of Mark, inulit-ulit sa book of Titus, inulit-ulit sa Genesis. Yung Genesis inulit-ulit sa sa Mateo. Yung si Mateo inulit din naman sa Proverbs, si Proverbs inulit-ulit. Sagot diyan para maintindihan mo, 'di ba? Para maintindihan mo. Okay, ganun yun. So I will make sure and I will repeat it again. So yung may dito, saka yung may dito. Ganun yun. Okay, kabayan, again and again. Make sure may decision ka for tomorrow. Nag-iisip ka dito. Nag-iisip ka dito. Yun yun. That's it. Saka, sasabihin ko ha, kung nag-iisip ka for tomorrow, na may dito ka, ulit and again, na may dito ka, wala kang piniperwisyong tao. Yun. Yung peaceful yung mind mo. Peaceful yung heart mo. Ganun yun siya. Masarap yung mabuhay yung ganun. Hindi yung nangungutang ka, tapos nilayasan mo, tapos sasabihin mo, born again ka. Hindi ako sa nagpaparinig ha, pero maraming ganun na they are using the name of the religion, they are using the name of God's creator para lang sa pansariling interest. I will tell you about this. I am living of the reality. The expectation is nothing. I will tell you the reality. Okay. Marami pong Pilipino sa Saudi Arabia. Hindi ko alam sa ibang, sa Kuwait, sa Qatar, sa Oman. Hindi ko alam. But here in Saudi Arabia, ya ami, ya akhi, ya akoy, ya aboy, ya walad, ya mama, ya baba. Here sa Saudi Arabia, marami pong tao na ginagamit lang ang name of Islam doon sa papel nila para sa pansariling interest. Ginagamit lang ang religion sa pansariling interest. Again, ginagamit lang ang religion sa pansariling interest. Yun. Sasabihin kunyari ganito ako, si ganito ako, kilala ko to, kilala ko yan, may papeles ako niyan. But the beginning and the end, gamitan lang te. Yun. Kaya nga naiinis din ako eh. Kaya sasabihin ko sa inyo, lumamig na yung kape ko. Kahit may takip siya, di ba? Ang ganda naman ng baso mo. Saan mo nabili? 12 reals from Center Point. This program is brought to you by hindi po ako nag-advertise. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na mura lang to. Center Point. 12 real. Riyadh Gallery. Riyadh Gallery. So mahigit 42 minutes na ho tayong nagsasalita dito, nagigir-gir-gir-gir. Tapos yung tao sa likod ko, yan. Yung tao sa likod ko, lumipat na siya sa harapan. Yan. Nakita nyo? Lumipat siya sa harapan. Baka na inaisip niya, baka ako ginigir-giran dito sa likod. Hindi po. Hindi, nagigirgir lang ako. Nilalabas ko lang sa inyo yung what is expectation, what is the reality. Kasi nga, pag inisip kasi sa Pilipinas, you are OFW, you are spitting of money. You are, you know, I don't know. Kung sa Bisaya, manggurang nalibang ang kwarta. Nya, kung sa Arabic, hamam alatul pulos. Tama ba ako? Parang hindi ko alam. I don't know. Kasi nga sa Pilipinas kapag OFW ka, parang they are thinking that you are spitting of money. You can afford. No, it's not that. You have to plan also your future, your credibility. What is the future is, you have to plan, not the exception of the today, not the exemption of tomorrow, but for the future. That's it. And the last thing is, if you have a plan, try mo kaya i-include yung church mo. Yun. Hiya na nga ako, hindi nakapagbayad ng mahigit isang taon na hindi nakapagbayad ng tithes. Kahit offering man lang, no? Wala din. Tithes and offering, dapat pagkasama yan sa. Kung wala si tithes, offering. Kung wala si offering, si tithes. So paano yung tithes? 10% of income ng mo, yung sahod mo. So kunyari 1.5, so 150 reals. So ibigay mo yan sa church mo every month. So sa mga hindi pa alam mo, ganun yun dapat. Kasi nga, God provide you a source of money. And then, if you are not trustworthy enough on that money, so kukunin niya yan. Paano? Hindi naman yung akin na yung pera, binigay, hindi ganun. Kaya ganito yan, magkakasakit ka. Tapos may spend mo yung money dyan sa sa hospital, sa emergency, ganito. Ganon yun. Yung mga course na yan, iaalaw ko sa buhay mo, magkakasakit. kasi hindi ka nagbabayad ng tax na tithes, hindi ka nagkukuha ng 10% sa sahod mo, hindi mag-grow yung future mo, ganun siya. Ganun yung ano, parang barrier ba yan? Kasi ang tithes and offering, tithes, para siyang shield. Kunyari, magbibigay ka sa umpisa ng sahod mo, shield siya. Oh, ayan. Lalagyan, shield. Ay, nagbibigay ito, may shield. Pagka next day, next month, nagbibigay ka ulit ng sahod, ayan, shield siya. Hanggang sa buo yung shield mo, ganyan. Tapos si coronavirus, gustong papasok sa'yo, hindi ka papasok kasi nga may shield. O, shield, di ba? Social shield. Next time around, si robbery, pupunta yan sa buhay mo, may shield ka, o hindi siya makakapunta, di ba? Kasi may shield ka. Maitinatanim ka na project like farms, oh, kung pagmamayari mo yon, nagbabayad ka ng tithes na bukal sa kalooban mo, hindi ka nagigir-gir-gir-gir yaw 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 yaw, pati yung mga plants mo may shield yan. Kunyari sa banana plantation, Uncle Rodolfo Laurente, okay, I will example ito, nagbibigay ito. Yung mga bunchy top, may shield yan, okay. The second one, Panama, ano nga yung mga sakit ng saging, bunchy top, Panama, Fusarium, I don't know, marami pa yun. So isi-shield yan ng Diyos sa iyo sa buhay mo. Yan. Siguro may iaalaw kasi wala din naman ang challenge ang buhay mo kapag walang problems, walang pressure. It's like water. Alam niyo ba yung water na pupunta sa bahay niyo o kahina-hina? O, di ba? Walang pressure yan. Mahina yung pressure. So mahina din tubig sa inyo na dumating. So kung may pressure ang tubig, di ba? Sisidlit-sidlit. O, di ba? Malipad-lipad pa. Ganun yun ang pressure. Kaya kung may pressure ang buhay mo, magpapasalamat ka. That's what's written on the book of, hindi ko alam. Alam ko yun, nakasulat yan. Bulahan ang taong adunay pagsulay, kay gisulayan lamang ang ilang pagtuo sa Ginoo. Ganun yun. Bulahan, ano ba bulahan? How to translate in English, bulahan. It's like lucky are those who have turbulence in life, for their faith are just tested by God. Parang ganun siya. So if your faith is pait, is like marupok, so wala kunting problema rang aray, talon sa building ngayon. Kaya man makikita ka sa video, nabibidyo ka ba, tumatalon, nagpapakamatay kasi yung faith nila walang faith. Wala po. Kain pa kayo ng ampalaya, faith, fait. Mura lagi basa. Feel ko lang basa. Yan. Tapos, usap ulit tayo, balik ulit sa restaurant. Okay, ano pa bang kinakain nila? Steak, appetizer. Oh, tatanungin nyo, what is the best seller? Okay, bibigyan nyo, ito steak, the best seller. Tapos ayaw din naman makinig. Yun yung mga locals dito na mga headache, very headache. Tapos sabihin, can you turn off the music? Okay, explain mo, ma'am, I am very sorry because we are just turning the music. I mean that we are allowed to turn off the music when it's prayer, 6 o'clock, and the last prayer at 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, like this. It's because they changing every month. Okay, ganun yun. Tapos sasabihin nila, because our establishment or the restaurant concept is bar and the restaurant concept. Tapos sabihin nila, why? Kanyari, no? Yee! Sarap niya eh. Tapos ito pa, alam naman natin, di ba, pandemic era, pandemic season, pandemic year, okay, ganito yun. uh, order yan ng water or cola or soda, and then they will ask, give me a glass with ice and with lemon. Wow, palimon-lemon ka pa. Yung ininom mo, hindi mo naman alam na nakakasira ang katawan mo, o di ba? Alamin mo muna yung ano, yung soda, yung cola, kung anong mga consistent, I mean ingredients diyan sa katawan mo. Palimon-lemon ka pa. Ampasin kita dito. Sarap sarap. Kasi nga may ano, may sombrero kami sa restaurant, yan nakaganyan, nakaganyan kami. 'Di ba? Hindi natin ipakita yung pangalan. Nakaganyan kami. Tapos may mga customer na ganito. Sabihin la, give me a glass. Mag-order yan cola. Tapos sabihin, give me a glass with ice and with lemon. Char! Palimon-lemon ka pa. Yung ininom mo, lason din naman. 'Di ba? Tapos alam mo kung sino. Tapos, sabihin mo, ma'am, sorry, we're not allowed to serve glass with a couple of ice because we are in the pandemic era and we are abiding the laws of your governance. Okay? We are just trying to help your governance, and we are just trying to help to lower the cases of coronavirus. Tapos sasabihin niya, why? Oh my God, are you listening? Come on. So, ganun sila dito mag-isip. Grabe, very headache. Swerte ka na lang kung may customer ka tapos maintindihan, sorry. Ganun, may mga customer na ganyan. I adore it kasi nga they are educated. But 70% of the locals are uneducated even if they are in a degree courses. Kasi even a doctors, may mga 30% pa rin na hard-headed, 'di ba? Hard-headed in the governance. Gaya ng Pilipinas, gaya nyo, nagrarally kahit may pandemic, o 'di ba? Ganun tayo eh. Tapos sasabihin, why the cases of the coronavirus are still in the highest point, in the point that we are in the number 1 of the Asia? Because of you, gaga. Tapos, and then you have the appetite to ask why? Oh my God. Can you lose your appetite to ask why? You are just, you know, the headache of the governance, the headache of your own family. Tapos ito pa, this is the very headache of this country. I don't know, in the food industry, okay? When they are entering the restaurant, 10 minutes closing. I really don't know if they are thinking, if they are using their brain, if their brain are eating with a zombie. How come, yani? 10 minutes papasok ka ng restaurant, magko-close na. Anong gagawin namin sa steak? Iba magic? 'Di ba? Galing nyo rin eh. Galing nyo rin, gigil na gigil. Itong ay naku, karaming tao dito. Nagigir-gir-gir ako, 'di ba? O 'di ba? 15 minutes or 5 minutes, 10 minutes magko-close na yung restaurant, papasok pa yan sila. Lalakasan ko pa boses ko dito. O, diba? O, titignan dito. Karami yung tao. Yan. 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 Ayan. Ayan. 360 degrees. Yan. Para marinig nyo, i-English ko talaga. Bahala kayo. Okay. I-English ko ha. 10 minutes, the restaurant will close. They were entering the restaurant and they will order, and they will looking for a menus for about 15 minutes. They will take an order 1:05. So, di ba, galing-galing, 1 o'clock na, mag-close ang restaurant. And then, magtitik ng order, 1:05. Sarap nyo rin, no? Way lami ba? Way lami. Makain ko nga, asa man ninyo gibutang inyong utok? Lami kay drill ba eh. Kalbitong surgeon ka. What you call this? A brain doctor surgeon na i-open yung brain, and then you will open if the front lobe of the brain is like properly, you know, is properly on the same status and the same location. Maybe the brain is dislocated, or maybe the brain is like you know, missing of the half of the pieces. Dapat mag-isip ka rin, no? Okay, ganito mag-isip, oh. Customers, I will teach you how to think nicely with here. Okay, this is it. When you enter the restaurant, 30 minutes before closing, you are allowed to enter. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, nosa yani, nosa. Nosa. Enter in the restaurant. You take order like this. Okay, do not go maalis. Be on your conscience. Do not go in the restaurants 5 minutes they are closing. 10 minutes they are closing. 2 minutes they are closing, and you are telling, no, it's not 1 o'clock yet. 2 minutes before you close. No, and you have the appetite to ask, mahali? And if the crew or the store asking for the safari because they don't have time enough, okay, relax. I am telling you why the restaurant will ask you a favor for a takeaway for the safari. Why? Because you know, they are going to clean the restaurant, because the crew, the employees are wanted the restaurant to be clean when you entered inside. You know, the ambience so clean, the smell so nice. That's it. And some of the establishment will not pay overtime. They only pay 9 hours on the contract. That's it. That's why you have to think widely. Stop being childish. Stop being selfishness. It's haram. Yes, it's haram. If you are thinking about selfishness only for yourself, it's haram. I will tell you. Yeah, that's the reality. Reality is different from the expectation. You are going to expect the restaurant will close only 1 o'clock and then finish. No. People are cleaning. They having push brush on the, you know, the tiles. They are going to clean your mess. They are cleaning about the grill section, the oil from upper side, the utensils, a lot of things you don't know. Cleaning the toilet, you mess up, a lot of waters on the floor, or your kulangot and booger on the sink. Yeah, that's it. You know, when you spit on the sink, and somebody, I'm not saying that you know, you are, yeah, it's our job to clean your mess in a proper time. But you know, if I will tell you, sabi nga nila, ang sobra nakakamatay. uh, that's why we have to be on the middle, moderate, di ba? Moderate lang, because too much is deadly, is dangerous. When you reach to the level that you know it's not good to you, to other, especially to other people, it's not really good. When you think about yourself, when you think selfishness, no, of course no, I will tell you. And naubos na yung kape ko. Di ba? Hirap lang kasi, ay nako, hindi naman, I understand you. That's why the establishment, the employees asking for the takeaway 5 minutes they are closing. They are not allowed to, you know, to, you are not allowed to eat inside unless ganito, I will told you the story. Okay, there's a Ukrainian woman who ate in the restaurant. Okay, and she said that, okay, uh, I have 15 minutes to our closing. Okay, I will finish my food within 5 minutes or 6 minutes. 6 minutes, because I understand you. I am also a waitress. I know your capability. I know what's your job. I know what you're doing. Okay, sabi niya, sige, no problem ma'am, you can eat. You can eat inside, you can stay, and then take your time, enjoy your meals. You know, with a smile, enjoy your meals. Yung ganon. So, it's not the burden from my heart, but she's so beautiful, she's so nice. Then that's it. So I, excuse me, I allow her to stay. So would you know, I was so amazed when she said I would finish my food within 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, para tayong si ano dito, si Nas Daily. Within 5 minutes, she finished her food. So I was so amazed. And then you know, yung kalat niya, ganito sa mga customer eh, yung kalat niya, yung mga food, he put it to one place on the plate, and then he put it in the trash. Oh, she's so nice. She's so not beautiful. She's so nice. She's so kind. And I hope and I pray to my God that her, you know, his bloodline, her bloodline will spread. Yun yun dapat mabuhay sa mundo eh. That kind of, you know, humanity will spread in this world, not those headache. Imagine ko the world is better than that, then you know, you don't have to worry. It's like putting one person to one place and they are spreading blessings rather than curse, then your God would be glorified, rather than you are going to another places and you're spreading curses. Oh my God, you are you are being mess up. Yeah, what's up? Wake up, come on, come on. So I hate so, but this is my first time vlog when I did it in public. So it's like nag-i-speech naman. Kanina pa kasi ako dito sa eyeglass ako. Yan. Mas maganda pa rin sa mata yung madilim yung nakikita mo. Madilim ang iyong paligid, walang gabing walang hanggan. Yan. Yan. Sakit sa likod. Yan. So try nyo kaya magligpit ng kalat ng ibang tao, especially hindi nyo trabaho. Nakakataba ng feeling, pero kapag inulit-ulit naman, nakakasarap suntukin, di ba? Ayan, paggabi na po siya. The sun is sundown. Sundown. Wala nang rising sun. So, anong tawag doon? Sundown. Hindi. Kung patas yung sun is rising. Kung pababa naman, anong tawag doon? Sunset. Aray ko, nabububo na. Yan. Yan. 360. Yan po. Loka. Oh, that's ngit na gud siya. Idol na tong nawong. Asa di edit? Bantog ra. Okay, against the light di siya. Tikman maklaro. Rika. Sumuli na ko. Di ara manggod akong balay ko sa unahan. So mara na akong balay. Mangutot unta ko niya na may arabo sa tubangan. Mara akong balay. Ana. So diha ra ko siya muli. Di ba? So akong background ka na siya nga hotel. Finish na. Mag-rest ta. Samok na magigir-gir-gir-gir. Mapipayda. So, wala tani wala. Pilditas kaso. So karon kay di off na to, i-try na ko kulayan akong buhok ug laing color. So di pa man siya taas. Di pa man siya. So mailhan ako pag taas na siya akong buhok kanang musod di siya diri sa dalonggan. That I hate off. I really hate off when some of my hair will like crawl in my in my ears inside. So nasty. So I hate it. Sumulakaw na punta. So I would like to thank my sponsors. So magpasalamat lang ko sa ako ang mga amigo for the it's been a long time for your friend without being collaborating or just without being nagpapakita. So to my Kabsat family, yan, alam nyo na kung sino kayo. To Kuya Brian, thank you Kuya for the privilege. And it's about time for the salah, so magpipray na. So bye bye guys. To all my parents, to all my parents from biological to spiritual. watching Father Richard.